What's up guys, FaZe here. Hope you guys are having a great day. I am really dead right now. Okay, so I'm watching Tanner Brungardt. It's called, yeah, that. So just a bunch of awesome stuff. That's my coach. But the coolest thing is, wait, hold on. I want to show you the coolest thing about this. He's wearing the swings I got him. And he's on Tanner Brungardt's vlog. Let's look at his face while he does ball trip. Mo. Oh my god. Then of course I said the first guy that did wall trips like trampoline coach. Oh my god, guys. What is up guys, FaZe here. Hope you are having a great day. It is super nice out today. It is just blue, 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 sun, sun, ow, ow, ow. But today I'm not going to Firestorm because, okay, so yesterday me and my mom went roller skating and then I fell on my butt and it's like I bruised my tailbone, so it really hurts. But we are going to go get a new kite because I got this one on Easter. It's just a single handle thing. It's like the circular thing. But today I am going to get the two-handle kite, and that's going to make a good vlog, I think. I've never flown one before with two handles, so we're going to get one. I'm not sure my grandpa's getting one, but he might. So that's going to be our vlog today. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. And also smash that like button just for luck. And also hit that subscribe button and comment down below. I subscribe for a free shout out in the next video I make. So yeah, let's get this video started. Okay, so as you guys saw in the last clip, that was yesterday. We got the kites. I got one and I didn't film any of it because it was kind of struggling. It was really hard to do. So I just felt like I would get good at it, and I'll do it today because today we are having a bonfire at Bolsa Chica. So I'm just gonna film there. And so remember when I told you guys I was getting like a weird a new tripod? I was expecting it to be the size of the one that I have on right now. Hold on, let me show you it. I was expecting it to be this size in the magnetic, but it turns out, got it. Yeah, same size. But I will just try to do it. So yeah, I'll see you guys at the bonfire. I'm about to catch a unicorn, guys. It looks so good. It's a unicorn. I'm gonna drink a unicorn's blood.
Okay, so this is my face.
Give me.
It looks like a unicorn.
Oh my god, I need my unicorn. I'm a unicorn killer. I drink it.
Unicorn sound like everyone should do it when they get it.
No. Unicorn sound. I'll put in the unicorn sound right now.
Like
okay. Hold on, everyone do yours. Mom, do yours. Very good.
I'm not gonna
do a unicorn. Unicorns! Unicorns are attacking our world. Oh, I want this one. Wait, no, I want that one.
Here, let me.
I want all of them. This one looks best.
Oh my god. Thank you. Thank you.
What the?
Thank you. Oh, I could have just been connected.
What the heck is this stuff?
Unicorn blood. It's sour. It's
so sour.
Oh my god, it tastes so good.
It's so sour.
So when you mix all that around, it becomes.
Fire blowing on me. This is so blurry. Oh my god. Okay, we're good. He's eating a hot dog. There's a cow. And there's a lot of bubbles. There's a really really, 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 really stinky little girl. Bruh. This hot dog should go to Hogwarts.
It already went there.
This Hogwarts has been at Hogwarts. This hot dog has been at Hogwarts for a while.
Can you see it okay with the light?
I don't know, I'm gonna do a cool time lapse. I just dropped part of my tripod because it sucks.
Look at Brandon's about to get it.
Shout out to him!
People gonna come and try to knock you down. Rather see you hurt laying on the ground. But when they try and tell you no, remember anything is possible.
I love this music, but still I question it's real. Cause just 2 years ago I only wrote these songs so I could heal. But now I'm getting all these messages from people around the world. It's so crazy. This
Okay.
We got kicked out of the lifeguard tower.
Oh no. It doesn't say anything right there. We are savages, and everyone does this. But I was getting such a good time last when it's done now.
the feeling that nobody else can steal. We in this together, I told you. It's more than just music, it's more than my views. It's more than those people who told me again and again that we never could do this. So go ahead and laugh now. Funny people coming back now, even though they backed me in the background. And I'm back rising with the facts now, and that's real. We came up with nothing, and we turned it to something. Talking about life, talking about love. Now
Whoa. Sorry. Do this ash on the chocolate ones. Living the life. Somebody has arrived. Oh, it's so blurry. The slow motion.
Every time I'm in the street, I hear
Yeah. What the heck?
I got to text.
What?
Are you vlogging?
Yeah.
Yes, he is.
Pyros and Crips. All got along. They probably got me down by the end of the song. Seem like the whole city go against me. Every time I'm in the street, I hear
My new favorite song, yeah.